Good morning.
Good morning.
How's your weekend been?
It's been confirming and eye-opening.
In what way?
A lot of the things been revealed to me lately has come through this weekend and solidified, crystallized.
In your own personal process?
Personal process, work process, art process, life, all those things have come to a head. Or is it a head or a point?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, what do you do? What do you do in your life for a living?
I'm a visual artist. I'm a painter.
Okay. Have you ever written a book?
I have, rough draft. And then I heard Tom on the radio. And at that point, I was at a block. Mm-hmm. And when I heard his interview, I was like, yeah, I need to do that. That sounds good. And so I stopped writing. This was 6 months ago. And then when I came here, when I spoke to him, I thought I was going to continue that book. And he was like, well, you might not. And funny enough, it was I feel like a prequel to the book I wrote already. And now with the revision process and his technique, it's really shown me how to revise the other book I have. Yeah.
So out of this weekend, what's your book about?
My book is about fairies.
Mm.
Yeah, it's about fairies, ancient fairies. And but I juxtapose their world with this world, with the human dimension. And they deal with race and injustice and social bias and things like that, but in a real covert way.
Right.
Yeah.
So do you know the title yet of your book?
Well, right now it's Ancient Fairies and then the subtitle. So
okay.
I don't know what the subtitle is. I thought I did when I started this weekend, but it's changed.
And the author name on the book cover?
Oluwatoyin, Tella.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
We can't wait to see what's next.
Yes, I'm looking forward to everyone's books too.
Thank you.
No problem.